what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Who's ready for spring? It's going to be here before you know it, along with rally season. Why not hop on a new 2024 or new 2025 Harley-Davidson and cook off the season in style? You know what? While you're out taking those test rides, make sure that you check into our flex financing options that we have going on too. There's so much about this that you don't know. Do you know that you can save on your monthly payment by using the flex payment option? Why would you not even want to check that out? So make sure you come in and ask us about that. And we're also excited this weekend is Cody's Friends Rescue is back. You know what? They have so many furry friends that are looking for new homes. You're going to look for a new motorcycle. Why not look for a new furry friend to be a part of your family? They take in all the rescues so they don't get put down. So please come out if you're looking for a furry friend. If you're looking to foster, come on out and be a part of Cody's Friends Rescue this weekend. We have Cliff BBQ Company is going to be here filling your bellies. We got a bike wash going on. And you know what else is starting? Rolling Arizona. This is going to be a pop-up event that's going on. You can win a 2024 Lowrider S. You can win a $5,000 gift card. Or you can win a 4-night stay at Arizona Bike Week, which includes $1,000 for travel, plus the passes to get in all the shows. And you get to see Jackal too. Can't get any better than that. And then we're also going to have some dealership giveaways as well. So make sure that you come in. This is all starting on Wednesday. That is today. Come on in, get your first set of keywords. You know what? As we always say, you can't win if you don't enter. This is only going through the end of the month, so make sure that you're coming in, checking in your keywords, and getting yourself entered because you know what? You could be kicking it off in Arizona. So we're going to be here. We need you to be here. Come out and join us this weekend. Again, it always starts at 11. We'll see you then.